Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
All right, Cap. We'll take it from here.
All in all, just to make alternative fuel look bad.
What if? You're basing this on a what if?
Mater, let's go! You're on!
The 60s weren't good to you, were they?
Get back, you oil-thirsty parasite!
Actually, this is my good side here.
My friend Guido, he dreamed to be the real race car. A pit stop.
Pit stop?
Stay with me. And Flo, what'll happen if no one can come to your station to buy gas?
I'll go out of business and...
Well, that's how I used to feel when I was driving for the Lower Belleville County Unified School District.
McQueen and Sally, park beneath the tree. K-I-S-A.
flight as Crop Hopper 7.
I'm running on vapors. I need to land.
What are you doing out here with an empty tank?
Well,
These folks are gonna get a kick out of meeting Hud's boy.
Who's Hud? Oh,
Francesco needs no strategy. It's very simple. You start the race, wait for Lightning McQueen to choke, pass.
Boy, you're in a heap of trouble.
¿Alguien conoce a Rayo McQueen? Hoy que es el más veloz del juego.
Mama! Don't worry, Mama. McQueen is very sad. I will.
A todos, gracias. Niñito, el primero en California se queda con Tainoco, todo para él.
Ah, no, como...
Oh, un momento. Esos no son faros. Son tubos de...
Yeah, you want to know the forecast? I'll give you the forecast. 100% chance of thunder, gazooga.
Oh, Rogie sounds much better than last time. He sounds really good.
Rogie!
Put McQueen in there. Give you some real competition.
Oh, okay. Thanks.
Lion?
What lion?
Oh, Lightning, come on.
Look, I can do this. I can. I promise. I am not coming in behind you again, old man.
I hereby dub thee.
Hey, McQueen!
Eat your heart out.
Ven, tractorcito. Ven aquí. Sí, qué gran tractor. No, 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 no.
Did you have a nervous breakdown, McQueen?
I'm sorry, what?
Pardon me, young man. You're blocking my view. Could you please step aside?
Oh,
That Francesco is fine looking.
And those open wheels.
Ooh, I'm...
Before.
It's a conspiracy, man! The oil company's got a grip on the government. They're feeding us.
Here?
Oh, Mr. Sterling, I was
I'd like
just...
you to head back to the training center right away.
Oh, well, why?